Are you unknowingly driving one of the most expensive trucks to maintain? Discover the hidden costs that could drain your wallet. The Dodge Ram 3500 tops the list with a staggering $26,900 in repair costs over 10 years, far above the industry average. With a 79.99% chance of needing a major repair, the Dodge Ram 3500 is nearly 25% worse than its competitors. The Dodge Ram 2500 diesel isn't far behind, costing around $26,065 in its first decade, with frequent and costly repairs. From $5,000 transmission rebuilds to $4,000 injector replacements, the Dodge Ram 2500 diesel can be a financial burden. The Ford F-250 Super Duty, while powerful, could set you back $15,636 in maintenance and repairs over 10 years. EGR issues and high-pressure fuel pump problems in the Ford F-250 can lead to repair bills exceeding $10,000. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 faces frequent infotainment system failures costing between $500 to $1,000 to fix. Engine problems in the Silverado 1500 can add another $1,000 to your repair bills, making it a costly choice. Before you buy your next truck, consider these hidden costs and make a smarter financial decision. Drive wisely, live richer.